not seen Cookie Monster's sister? Yeah, that's.
What's wrong with her?
No, she just asked me for my lunch money.
And you gave it to her.
And I fucking
seriously. You want to hear the Dallas story? He's over here finger blasting this girl. She goes, "Oh, where's Gary?"
No.
Like, I'm the fucking man. Thank you.
All right. This is what fucking happened. Get this on fucking camera. This is going to eulogy. This is going to eulogy. I met up with a nice young lady, and Gary back then was drinking heavy. All right. And Gary, when Gary drinks, is, oh, Gary want to suck my dick. I don't want to talk to them. They're all strippers. Blah blah blah. That's all he does. He's terrible. Fuck him. Fuck him. No. Now he threw me under the fucking bus in Dallas. All right. Been working on this piece of movie for about 9 months now. Okay.
Dude, that's bullshit. Put the camera at me. Look, I was sleeping in the fucking hallway, and I was drunk and pissed off because she's like, oh, you can't see your kid. And I was like, you can't say that to me because you're not Lazer, you're not my friend. And then I slept in the hallway and she's like, I'm worried about Gary.
Fuck Gary, listen, this is what really happened. Gary was making fun of this girl all fucking night. All fucking, he was sitting there, I've been giving you a little shit. I give Megan a little shit. Gary was fucking, I felt terrible for her. She was a Mormon chick.
Say when?
Yeah, oh dude, just force feeding it down her mouth. And finally she goes, yeah, that's why you'll never see your fucking kid again, you piece of shit. And Gary goes, knocks the lamp off the table. Oh my God, I'm out of here. That's the line in the sand. I'm sleeping outside.
All right.
And so he sleeps outside in the hallway. And the whole time me and her are trying to hook up, she goes, you think Gary's okay? You think Gary's okay?
Okay, look, that's true. And the good news is, they didn't kick me out of the hotel because I knew the security guy.
Hey, yo, check him out. Tight, laced up. Hey. Hey, now you're gonna really do it.
Subscribe.
Oh, all right.
Hey, hold on. Sponsor me. You want to know what the true story? I didn't steal anything from anybody and help them look for it, but I did steal a bunch of copper high on heroin from my neighbors.
Hey.
True story.
Hey.
How was it? Hey. What do you think it was? I got caught.
Listen.
The guy in the RV?
No, I went to fucking jail, CJ. That's how I got a felony, dude. That's why I can't become a police officer.
Yeah.
We're stealing copper to make pennies. Innovative, dude. Come on, what are we doing?
Thank you, Gary.
Dude, don't stop talking to my girlfriends, dude.
I didn't understand anything they said.
And crispy's cold.
Hey, they're not, but CJ taught me the craziest trick I've ever learned in my life.
What's that?
You just do this for like fucking a minute to 90 seconds with any beer over ice. It gets fucking ice cold. Literally feel that can.
Oh my God, let me have some.
No. Get your own.
Hey.
Dude, get your here, dude. You know what? Go ahead.
Right, a crispy boy.
Wow, great.
Oh, I'm not ready.
Lon the Pooh Boy's gonna sing a song, dude.
I'm Matador Bay. We're hunting for some hogs. Oh, she's really doing it. I'm out here trying to sniff them out like a dog. But they told me that I did too much ketamine. Queen singing big oh yeah, that's okay. Proud that we keep on burning. Ooh, we rolling. Rolling on the
Down yet?
Hey, where's my girlfriend, dude? Hey. Hey.
She forgot my bag at the house.
Is she on birth control?
I don't know, but I came all inside of that condom inside of her. Busted record time, never busted a condom out in my life.
I swear this never happens.
Have a good time.
You're supposed to hang that up outside your door to keep the 30 seconds off. Wow.
dope as fuck already.
I haven't flown in 2 years, man. I want to.
You haven't flown? Yeah.
Not a helicopter, I'm doing my jet.
Yeah, no.
That was great, boys. What is she doing? Look how fine she is. What are we talking about? Gary, get away from my fucking girlfriend, dude.
Did you kill a pig?
They're not moving. They're just not moving.
Yeah, I think I got that head.
He fucking.
Are you strapped in?
Yeah, he's strapped in. You don't fall out, but dude, one of them, he took us up, and I'm talking, and you're like right on him. I'm like from like me to that TV, just yak up, yak up, yak up. It's fucking fun as shit. Yeah. Hey, but at one point I was trying to, he was helping me with that camera. We got way up there and it kind of like started stalling. I go, oh shit, Kobe, you know. And